Welcome to East Idaho Drywall Repair's first annual shareholders meeting. So first we would like to discuss the business idea and model for East Idaho Drywall Repair. So our core business model broke down into three essential components, namely to repair damaged drywall at a low cost, target residential households, and market our service through Facebook ads and referrals. Basically, we decided that if we could focus and target residential households with a minor repair that most large contractors would turn down, with a high enough quantity, we'd be able to become profitable, and it works very well. So the second part, the thing that we would like to talk about, were our successes and also the profit that we achieved in East Idaho Drywall Repair. So one of the things we're most proud about is that we achieved a 100% customer satisfaction ratio. Each of our two largest sales were 100% satisfied with our product and decided that they would recommend it to someone else and use it again if they needed it. With those two sales, we achieved an $80 profit, and our sales broke down like this. On the first sale, they cost us $20 in materials, $20 in advertising, and that left us with a $35 profit. In our second sale, we achieved $10 of material, so that was a $10 cost reduction, $20 of advertising once again, and it left us with a $45 profit, leaving $80 overall profit between the two sales. So, of course, it was my first business that we started, so there are things we would do differently in hindsight and retrospectively. So one of the three things we would do differently is that we would add a promo if they left a review, such as, so for example, we would send them a $5 gift card in the mail if they left a good review if they left a review on Facebook to add more credibility to our site. The second thing we would do is we'd spend less money on Facebook advertising, and to make up for that loss of advertising, we'd contact local plumbing services and leave flyers with them so that whenever they cut a hole in someone's drywall to fix their leak or something like that, they could refer us to fix the drywall that they damaged. So another thing we'd like to talk about are projections and speculations for the future of East Idaho Drywall Repair. So we decided that we could become very successful on a small scale. However, one thing that we did not take into account is how small the market that we were targeting was. Residential players with small repairs. That would basically, because of the size of the market, we decided that we'd not be able to scale East Idaho Drywall Repair the way we would like. So East Idaho Drywall Repair as an investment. So like we said, we decided the market is too small for sustained growth and a change in our core business model. So we decided that East Idaho Drywall Repair at this time would not be a safe investment because due to the lack of possibility of scaling the business, we would not be able to provide the return on investment that any investor would like. All right, thanks for coming and have a great day.